boys and girls. Today during writing, we're going to be talking about capitalization. So in capitalization, there's something called chips. Not chips that we eat, but some of you might have this in front of you. You need a capital letter for chips. What does that mean? So if we take a look at this, it says we capitalize the letters when it's a calendar word. So days of the week, months of the year. The H stands for holidays. Any holiday we capitalize, whether it's Christmas or Earth Day or Ramadan or Valentine's Day. Any holidays stands for the H. We have to capitalize that. When we come to I by itself, when you're talking about I like spaghetti. When you're talking about I, you have to have a capital letter. When we come down to P, that's the name of people, pets, and places. So if Miss Cummings is talking about my cat Cammie, that's a pet. So when I write about Cammie, I have to make sure that the C is capital, that it is a big letter. If you're talking about like my dad's name is Liam, so I would capitalize the L and make sure that it's a capital letter. If I'm talking about a place like Fairport or Rochester or New York, you have to use a capital letter. That is what P stands for. And at the very bottom, S stands the beginning of a sentence. The boy ran very fast. I'm trying to read it through the paper. The boy ran very fast. At the beginning of that sentence, they capitalized the word the. So that's just a little bit of a reminder of what we capitalize when we're writing. And you guys can keep this sheet next to you whenever you're writing anything to help you remember what do I capitalize and what do I use lowercase letters for. So if you capitalize those things, you pretty much use lowercase letters any other time that you're writing, okay? So right now, Miss Cummings is going to give you some sentences that we're going to go over. We're going to go over the first 3 together, and then there's 2 more on your worksheet that you are going to try and let an adult in your house check it over and see how you did. All right? Okay, so taking a look at number 1, it says, do you want to come to our house on Tuesday? Now that sentence, if we take a look at it, is all lowercase. There is not one uppercase letter. So let's think about it for a second. I brought over my chips sheet to kind of help us out. So I'm going to take a look. Calendar words, days of the week or months of the year. Do you want to come to our house on Tuesday? Tuesday is a day of the week. So that should be capitalized. So I'm just going to cross that out, and right above it, I'm going to put a capital T. That should be a capital letter because it is a day of the week. All right, holiday. Do you want to come to our house on Tuesday? No holidays in that sentence, so we don't have to worry about capitalizing any holidays. I by myself, so let's check. Do you want to come to our house on Tuesday? I didn't see any I's, so we'll skip that one as well. Name of people, pets, and places. No names. Let's check the last one, the beginning of the sentence. Whoa, look at that beginning of the sentence. That is not capitalized. So we're going to cross it out, and right above it, we're going to write a capital D. Nice job, boys and girls. Let's move on to number 2. All right, taking a look at number 2. Remember, I've got my sheet right here so that I can remember what needs to be capitalized. I'm going to read it to you. My mom, Michelle, asked if I wanted to go ice skating in February. All right, so let's think about that for a second. Calendar words, holidays, I by itself, names of people, pets, and places, and the start of a sentence. All right, so let's look for calendar words. Any calendar words? Oh, February is a calendar word. It's not a day of the week, but it is a month. All right, so I'm going to cross that one out. We're going to put the capital F right above it, so we remember that needs to be capitalized. Okay. Holidays, no holidays. I by itself. Guess what? I almost tricked myself because I found this I right here, and I almost thought that I needed to capitalize that, but I don't. I don't have to capitalize that I because it's attached to the F. It's not by itself. It's with another letter, so it's part of a word. When I is by itself here, that's when I need to capitalize it because it's all by itself. It's about me, I. So I'm going to cross that one out. Write the I right above it. All right. Names of people or places. Ooh, my mom's name is Michelle. Michelle also needs to be capitalized, so let's make that an uppercase letter. All right. And the very last thing we need to check is the start of the sentence, which is also an M, so we need to capitalize that one. Oh, nice job. That looks awesome. Great job. Let's move on to number 3. All right, number 3. I still have my CHIPS worksheet here to help me remember what I need. This one we're going to do together, but I'm going to let you kind of answer the questions here. I'm not going to give you so many answers. All right. My sister went to Disney World last week. What would we capitalize in here? Oh, I heard somebody say places. Somebody saw the place. Disney World, both of those words means a place. So we're going to fix both of those. Whoa. So W is going to be capital, and so is the D in Disney World. Even though it's 2 words, they both are a place. Oh, I heard somebody say the start of the sentence needs to be capitalized. So we're going to make that one into an M. Capital M, excuse me. Any others? Oh, I heard somebody say that sister was a person. Even though sister is a person, it's not the name of a person. So we leave that one as a lowercase letter. Okay? Great job, boys and girls. Try 4 and 5 on your own. See what you remember. Try to challenge yourself a little bit. Maybe flip over your CHIPS sheet so that you can try it on your own, and then let an adult in your house check it over for you. Okay? Good luck! You're going to do awesome. Miss you guys. Goodbye.